All right, what's up guys? Midwestern RC. We got Sam out with me today. PRZ FPV, follow his Instagram. We got the Genzace 10,000 milliamp lipos in here. Max 5 ESC, some DJI turnbuckles. We're just gonna be doing some seed runs, practicing getting drone footage, doing some jumps too. This thing is nose diving. All right, so maybe we don't send it to the moon just yet. I'm also trying to keep in mind that we gotta stay away from the branches. I don't want him to crash it. So we'll go like half throttle, give it some sauce. There we go. All right, so we got the 16 tooth pinion on here, a Max 5. I think it's just the temperatures. I should have let these batteries warm up a bunch because I don't have like the punch that I normally do. Now I did turn the punch up on the Max 5. It was set at 1. I now have it set on 3. We might need it turned up to 5. I do have the card with me just in case. Oh! Drone down, drone down. Let me flip it for him.
Forgot to disarm. I was like, bro, you grabbed it.
Oh.
Well, he has some balls to do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn the punch up a little more. It's getting really nose heavy. All right, I think turning the punch up helped. He said, I feel like I'm gonna hit you, man. It got a little close. I feel like if I feel the wind of the drone, then we might need to start worrying, but. That was close as holy smokes! That was super close. All right, and full throttle now. Yeehaw! So you run the 2-inch wide wheel spacers on this so you can fit bigger wheels. Arma 8S wheels are direct fit. I really like them for these things, but also much wider stance. I mean, this adds 4 inches right here. It's 2 inches on each side. So you get so much better handling with it. And being a buggy and low to the ground, it's just super awesome. I mean, I'll try to turn it a little quicker. Can definitely tell these lipos are cold. I don't have the power that I usually do with this. But in spring, I think I might be running a Max 4 12S setup. Got a little hairy right there. So that's the other thing. I don't know how much battery he has. So, okay. All right, let's give it a good one then. And cut up, full throttle. One more? Okay. You said one more. Woo!